Welcome to our review of TickTick. TickTick is an all-in-one productivity app. It combines task management, scheduling, habit tracking, and even focus tools, making it a great fit for students, freelancers, and professionals alike. You can use TickTick almost anywhere, on mobile, desktop, web, and even through browser extensions. The free plan is solid, and the premium upgrade, at around $3 a month, is very affordable compared to competitors. At its core, TickTick gives you structured task and project management, multiple calendar views, and smart input features like natural language and voice commands, making task entry quick and effortless. TickTick goes beyond tasks with a built-in Pomodoro timer, habit tracking, and even an Eisenhower matrix for prioritization. These extras help you stay productive and focused, all without leaving the app. Whether you like classic checklists, visual Kanban boards, or timeline planning, TickTick adapts to your workflow. It's flexible enough for both simple task lists and detailed project management. TickTick does have some drawbacks. The feature set can feel overwhelming at first. The free plan is somewhat limited, and while the interface is functional, some users find it dated. Customer support also gets mixed reviews. Against Todoist, TickTick wins on price and built-in extras. Compared to Things 3, it works across all platforms but lacks that Apple polish. And while Google Tasks or Microsoft To Do are simpler, TickTick gives you much more power. So, is TickTick the best all-round to-do list app? For most people, yes. It's affordable, feature-rich, and flexible. Students, freelancers, and professionals will find everything they need. But minimalists or big teams may want something simpler. Don't miss the next review. Subscribe and hit the bell for new videos.